Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Jennifer and Jessica and we are twin sisters who love to share everything hair and beauty related. So if you're interested in that kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and keep watching. Hi guys, so today we'll be sharing a hair remedy for one of the most common concerns we hear from you guys, which is slow hair growth, hair thinning, loss of your edges, and even baldness. Guys, a few years ago, I stood in front of the mirror and I noticed hair thinning around my temples. I was shocked, frustrated, and really unsure on where to begin. But that led to the journey of this particular hair tea recipe that has worked wonders for my edges and it has really awakened my hair follicles. So stay tuned, guys. Now let's discuss the ingredients, the first one being MSM. Now, a few of you guys might be familiar with MSM. It's an OG staple, and MSM is an organic sulfur compound. It's found in plants and even rainwater. It's really powerful because it supports keratin and collagen production and has shown promising results in speeding up hair growth. Now, the next ingredient is rosemary. Now, this isn't just a kitchen staple, it's everyone's DIY favorite. Rosemary traces back to ancient Greece when it was burned in temples for memory. And guess what? Memory and hair loss share more than you think in common. They both require circulation of the scalp. Rosemary is amazing because it stimulates blood flow to the scalp and reawakens dormant follicles. The third ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus is known for its ability to thicken hair, prevent split ends, and deeply nourish your scalp. In the past, Indian women would steep hibiscus in their oils and teas to create the most beautiful hair elixirs that boost hair growth. Hibiscus is even referred to as flower of hair in some countries. This is because it's heavily linked to boosting and beautifying the hair. To make this hair tea, you'll first need 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary leaves. Then you put in 2 handfuls of dried hibiscus leaves. Then you can pour in 2 cups of filtered water. Allow the water to simmer for 10 minutes to allow the herbs to infuse deeply into it. After a while, you turn off your heat and allow your hair tea to cool slightly for 2 to 3 minutes. After this, you can add in your MSM powder and stir until it fully dissolves. Now, MSM dissolves best in very hot water but not boiling water. You need to allow your tea to cool slightly before adding your MSM in. This preserves its powerful sulfur content without reducing its potency. Now that your tea is a deep berry burgundy color, you can transfer it into a teapot to steep for further 4 to 6 hours. After 4 to 6 hours, your hair tea is ready to be strained and transferred into a spray bottle for use. How to use. This hair tea can be used as a hair rinse post-wash. It can also be used as a daily scalp spritz, which is what we're doing in this video. You just gently part your hair into sections and spray onto your problem areas or generally around your scalp and deeply massage it in. You can mix your hair tea with aloe vera or rose water for extra hydration. Once you apply it onto your scalp, massage on your scalp in a circular motion. This hair tea can be stored in your fridge, but it must be used up within the next 10 days. Now, you guys should let us know down below if you'll be trying out this recipe. It's just simple ingredients, maximum results. Your edges and your hair will thank you for this. Now, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye!